If you have been looking to take the tedious, dangerous chore of cleaning high-rise or hard-to-reach windows completely off your hands, you are going to want to stick around for this. Today, we are taking an in-depth look at the ECOVACS WINBOT W2 PRO Omni portable window cleaning robot. This is not your basic suction cup window gadget. This is an advanced, all-in-one robotic cleaning ecosystem featuring a multifunctional portable docking station, a triple-nozzle wide-angle spray system, and a robust 12-level safety protection architecture. Right out of the box, the centerpiece of this kit is its multifunctional station, serving as a command center, charger, secure anchor, and a tidy storage case rolled into one. It houses a massive built-in lithium battery that lets you clean windows even where wall outlets are nowhere in sight. The station weighs over 11 pounds, anchoring itself via heavy-duty suction, so you can safely clean exterior glass panes on high floors without panic. Plus, it features an automatic cord coiler that neatly retracts the 2-in-1 composite power and safety cable, eliminating messy tangles. When it comes to performance, ECOVACS completely re-engineered how these robots handle grime. The WINBOT W2 PRO Omni utilizes a 3-nozzle wide-angle spray atomization technology. By firing a high-pressure mist across a wide surface area, it instantly dissolves baked-on dust, bird droppings, and smudges, allowing the wet mop cloth to wipe the glass completely streak-free in a single pass. Powered by an upgraded brushless motor and WinSlam 4.0 intelligent path planning, it moves across glass with 30% higher efficiency, intelligently mapping edges and navigating obstacles. An intelligent climbing system utilizing a water and friction-resistant synchronous belt prevents slipping, even when the cleaning pad is fully saturated. Safety is where this model truly separates itself from older generations, boasting a comprehensive 12-level protection system. This includes hardware and software safeguards, 8 hardware-based fall protection features, including auto air pressure compensation and optimized 5,500 Pascal suction power. Backup power. If household or station power cuts out, the robot automatically stays securely mounted to the glass for over 30 minutes. Tether security. A heavy-duty, multi-layer safety tether built into the station capable of withstanding immense tensile strength. Smart sensors. High-speed optocoupler edge detectors that react in 0.2 seconds to keep the unit safely on track. Controlling the unit is entirely effortless. You can manage settings directly from the station's streamlined control panel or open up the ECOVACS Home app on your phone for full remote monitoring, custom cleaning modes, and hands-free operation. If you want a sparkling, crystal-clear windows across your entire home without ever stepping foot on a ladder or risking your safety, the ECOVACS WINBOT W2 PRO Omni is an absolute game-changer. Click the link below for the best price.